You're what?
Ready?
Yeah, what are we doing? I'll just sit down and slide down the step.
You can't have any legs. Imagine if you had to do stuff on your own.
Oh!
Did you just say two at a time? No, I just went. Yeah, that's what Alex did. Watch here.
Hannah,
Hannah.
I need you to come take care of me. I'm sick.
Here,
Well, I gotta
here,
get on
here.
light switch.
Hannah.
Come.
No, come here, come here.
I gotta get on this light.
Hannah.
Wow, please give me a second.
Hannah. Hannah.
What?
Can you come here a minute?
Yeah, I'll be right there, Mom. You're standing up. How's that
here,
not
hold
using
this.
your legs? I'm gonna get up here and film it. What do you want, Mom?
You gotta see it from down here.
I need y'all to
You gotta
take
see it
care
from
of
that
me.
point of
I'm
view.
sick.
It'd be so fun. Come turn off the light switch. It's so you have to shut up. Yeah. Right, turn off the light switch. Come on. You have to do the wall. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Ah, it's so close. Come on. Okay, turn back on. Now go up the stairs.
This is nothing short of exhausting.
Oh my gosh, we had such a fun time when he was here. I really want to see you make it up all the way. Wow, we would not survive in war.
That's why legless people have wheelchairs and ramps.
In the war? What if you lose your legs to a bomb?
People carry.
Mama, please don't say my name again.
I'm falling on my arm.
Wow. Is it really that difficult?
I can't control my arm, yes. Where'd my hat go? I lost it somewhere.
I'm going to try to do it with one arm while videotaping.
What? What?